In this video, we will be comparing two of the most powerful CPUs on the market today, the AMD Ryzen 9-5900X and the Intel Core i9-14900K. Both processors are designed for high-performance computing, but they cater to different needs and budgets. We will explore their specifications, performance in gaming and professional applications, and user feedback to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the AMD Ryzen 9-5900X offers an impressive 12 cores and 24 threads, making it a powerhouse for multi-threaded tasks. It boasts a base clock speed of 3.7 GHz and can boost up to 4.8 GHz, providing excellent performance in both gaming and productivity. On the other hand, the Intel Core i9-14900K takes the lead with its 24 cores, including 8 performance cores and 16 efficiency cores, allowing it to handle demanding applications with ease. With a base clock speed of 3.2 GHz and a boost clock speed of up to 6.0 GHz, it excels in gaming scenarios, delivering higher frame rates and smoother gameplay. Both CPUs are unlocked for overclocking, giving enthusiasts the ability to push their performance even further. Price is a crucial factor when choosing a CPU. The AMD Ryzen 9-5900X is priced at $569, offering an excellent price-to-performance ratio, especially for those who want high-end performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-14900K comes with a higher price tag of $649, reflecting its cutting-edge technology and superior performance capabilities. While the i9-14900K may be the better performer, the Ryzen 9-5900X provides significant savings for users who still want powerful processing without the premium cost. User reviews play a vital role in understanding a product's real-world performance. The AMD Ryzen 9-5900X has garnered an impressive rating of 4.7 out of 5 from over 12,000 reviews, with users praising its performance in multi-threaded tasks and gaming. However, some users noted the need for a quality cooler due to heat generation. In contrast, the Intel Core i9-14900K has a rating of 4.3 out of 5 from around 1,600 reviews. While many users appreciate its high performance, some have reported stability issues and high power consumption, which may require advanced cooling solutions. These insights can help potential buyers weigh their options based on user experiences. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 9-5900X and Intel Core i9-14900K are exceptional processors, each with its strengths and weaknesses. The Ryzen 9-5900X offers great value for its price, while the i9-14900K represents the latest in CPU technology for those willing to invest more. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.